Hi, my name is Dan Bruner. I'm the Director of Legal Services at Whtiman Walker Health. Whtiman Walker is a nonprofit community-based health center offering medical care, mental health and addiction treatment services, dental care, community health services, and legal services throughout the greater Washington metropolitan area. Our specialties are in HIV care and the health of the lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender community. We started as a gay and lesbian health clinic in the 1970s, and since the early 80s, Whtiman Walker has been at the forefront of the Washington area's response to the AIDS epidemic, offering our services to all eligible folks regardless of sexual orientation, gender, race, or national origin. Since the earliest days of Whtiman Walker Legal Services, we've depended on volunteers extensively. We have a number of pro bono opportunities with our program. Some of those would require only a few hours of your time, but really help folks a lot who really need the help. Other opportunities would give you extensive negotiation and advocacy experience over a period of months. For instance, we need lawyers who are able to represent HIV-positive or LGBT foreign nationals in asylum or other immigration cases. We have clients who are facing cutoffs of disability or health benefits and need a lawyer's help to file an appeal with their insurance company. We need help for clients who have encountered discrimination in the workplace or breaches of their medical privacy, or who need help negotiating a reasonable accommodation with their employer. Every fall, we operate a series of walk-in clinics that are staffed by specially trained volunteer lawyers during the open enrollment period for the Medicare Part D prescription drug program. We have a new set of regular clinics that we offer to the transgender community to help folks to get a court order and to change their legal records in order to reflect their new names and their actual gender. We have a need for lawyers who can visit clients in medical crises in their homes or in the hospital to help them get their affairs in order with simple wills and other planning documents. And we have clients who are too sick to work who need representation in Social Security disability appeals. We train all of our volunteers and we provide extensive written guidance that's specific to the type of case involved. And our expert staff lawyers are available at your convenience for as much advice or mentoring as you may want or need.
Hi, my name is Eva Marie Carney, and I'm a partner in the law firm of Richards, Kibbe, and Orby in Washington. I know there are many organizations for which I could be doing pro bono work. Whtiman Walker Clinic is one that I find the issues to be very interesting. The medical overlay is very interesting. You know, many of the clients are HIV positive and are confronting that issue as well as their other legal issues. The staff of Whtiman Walker Clinic is extremely knowledgeable, particularly about the immigration issues that I've been dealing with them on. They answer their emails, they take my calls, they give more or less support depending on what it is that any particular pro bono lawyer needs. They're just a pleasure to work with. I have a very memorable client whose story I'd like to share with you. He is a journalist and received asylum here in the United States. He'd gotten that asylum before he and I met each other. He came to me through Whtiman Walker Clinic because his wife remained in his home country. They had been separated by the time I met him for about 5 years. I helped her come here and get her green card. They now both are well established here with a beautiful baby boy, and I was even able to attend the baby's christening recently. The cases that I handle for Whtiman Walker Clinic have been very meaningful to me because I've seen through my clients' eyes the value of living in this country. They have been incredibly delighted to be in a position to no longer fear from deportation, to fear from speaking their mind or being politically persecuted, and to see the value of receiving good health care here from the likes of the services of Whtiman Walker Health.
Hi, my name is Max Barger. I'm an attorney at Ackerman Brown in Washington, D.C. It's so easy to work with folks at Whtiman Walker Legal Services. They make it easy to volunteer and to work with the clients. They're very well organized. The staff is amazing. The volunteer coordinator, the staff attorneys, and the other volunteer attorneys. It's rewarding and it's easy to do. With Whtiman Walker, I've worked with clients doing estate planning and estate administration. My favorite case that I ever had at Whtiman Walker was the first case I ever took. It was a woman with AIDS, and of course she had health issues, and she was concerned about her minor child, who was going to care for her child. And I met with her, and we drafted a will for her, we drafted standby guardianships for her, and her gratitude, it was just overwhelming. I still get overwhelmed just thinking about how she reacted and her gratefulness, and I will never forget her.